which is developed for automobile maintenance workers and engineers. It can be used for DC 6 to 40V cars, motorcycles, trucks, buses, engineering vehicles, vessels, tractors, mining vehicles and other vehicles that use DC circuits. This tool makes it easier to test many electrical units in a vehicle. Audio tone indicator allows for no-look menu scrolling once users are familiar with menu tone assignment. It has a built-in flashlight function that will simplify work even at night. The length of the cable is long enough to be around the car, which facilitates your work. Working with the GODIAG GT101 Power Probe greatly simplifies the work of identifying and correcting important elements in the vehicle. The kit includes a relay with the designation of numbers, the ability to connect to numerous electrical appliances in vehicles. Fuel injector check. When detecting the fuel injector, if the fuel injector is driven to open or close, the ammeter shows the normal value and the fuel injector walks normally. It means that the fuel injector is normal. Otherwise, it means that the fuel injector is damaged. Manual cleaning of fuel injectors. Prepare a fuel injector cleaner pressurized can or a carburetor cleaner pressurized can. Hold the manual cleaning tool tightly with your hand. Connect the injector test line to the injector that needs to be cleaned, and press the fuel injector relay function button. Simplify